In this parking lot right behind me. Now, 2 others are said to be in stable condition. What I can say is this is a very somber scene.
So I know I just came out the side of the building, and I walked to the front because that's where my car was parked. And I see the guy laid out, and I see my car with bullet holes all over, and that was pretty much all I seen was just that body.
Okay.
But we were in class, and of course we could hear the normal shooting from the gun range, but then it got kind of extremely loud, like a bomb almost, and it was rapid. And so I immediately stood up in class and said, that doesn't sound normal. And so all 3 of the instructors pulled their weapon and asked us to get on the ground. And so we did. We hid behind the table, and I was instructed to call 911.
Might have to move. May have a unit coming out.